Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am a coffee addict. And this cold brew maker from LaFeeCa is so incredible.
If you want to get that perfect cup of cold brew every single time, this is the maker for you. It is made of this Triton shatterproof, odor and stain resistant plastic that is also dishwasher safe, but its secret is in this amazing double filter system, this ultra fine mesh where you can put your coffee and tea if you prefer. And it is so fine that you're not ending up with chunks or grounds of coffee in your cold brew. It really just makes the perfect smooth cup. I love this airtight lid that has this great little handle that you push down so it is leak proof, keeping your liquid gold fresh and delicious.
If you want to make the best cold brew you have ever had, you need to get this cold brew maker from LaFeeCa. Not only is it beautiful, but it works so well. And that's my point of view.